And good morning and welcome back to the Vietnam Motorbike Tour. Currently about to start my day. Today's destination will be Hoi An, which is 230 kilometers away, so another long day of riding. The bike's all packed up. Went and got gas. I didn't fill up yesterday before the day ended, so I woke up this morning before I packed up and went and got some gas about a block away. This will be another long ride. I think it's more remote today. Should be dealing with any traffic really until I get close to Hoi An, which is good. So this is a nice leisurely ride. We'll see how it goes. I'll see you on the road. How beautiful is that? Was that worth the stop? I believe it was. Hello, hello, hello. Wow, it's an impressive dam. Cannot drive across it. At least there's gates blocking it. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Got it? Excellent. Okay, about an hour out from the hotel in Hoi An. I'm in the middle of coming out of a little village. Well, not so little. Beautiful farmland. It's been a long day. Some beautiful mountain roads, beautiful scenery, but it's been a long ride. A lot of construction on the roads, so it was difficult at times. I've also learned that lots of noise here. That speed bumps, things like that are not marked on bridges. I've called air a couple times. Anyway, hopefully next time I see you, I'll be pulling into Hoi An to the hotel. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2. Okay, all checked into the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, all checked into the hotel. It's called the Dragon Villa Hoi An. It's I don't know if it's considered a homestay. It's more like a bed and breakfast. There's only 4 rooms. The link will be in description, but it's a nice little room. I'll give you a little tour. Disregard the mess. So you got a nice comfy bed, which is very important. Got a TV, although I never use them. And the bathroom, which I've already made a mess of because I got showered. Still foggy. And there's the breakfast menu. Also, oh yeah, each room has a balcony. If I can operate the balcony. I guess you could take this little chair and thing and sit up there and have a little coffee. I mean, yeah, there's not much of a view, but we're right in the middle of the city, so it's a little balcony. It's got all the comforts you want. Anyway, I've looked up and found a nice little restaurant nearby. I am starving after this long day. Tomorrow is on to Da Nang, and I need to do some like errands and stuff. Got to get the oil changed in the bike. I've already picked out a Honda dealership to do that. I'm also going to go to a bicycle shop to see if bicycle shorts will help my butt from being so sore while I'm riding. If they don't work, they don't work. It's worth a try. Also, I'm going to the DJI store or a store that sells DJI stuff and see if I can get the new there was the Action 2 mic or something. Hopefully that'll help the sound. I'm at a loss of I've tried the microphone placement, but it gets so much wind noise. But I think there's noise canceling in the DJI mic, and there's not in the one I currently have. Not that I mean, it's got the little wind buffer thing, but it don't have an actual setting. But the DJI mic does. Anyway, I want to go get something to eat because I am starved. It's been a long day. I am probably going to eat and then crash. And then wake up in the morning and get breakfast and relax until it's time to go to Da Nang. I've already booked a room there for 2 days, so I'm going to have a rest day while I run all those errands. Be sure to enjoy yourself. It's later than you think.